In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer files from one Dropbox to another. We'll walk through the process using Dropbox Transfer, which is a built-in feature designed exactly for sending files from one account to another, or even to someone who doesn't use Dropbox. By the end, you'll know how to move your files safely and share them either with a simple link or directly via email. First, open your web browser and go to your Dropbox home dashboard. Make sure you're signed into the Dropbox account that currently has the files you want to move. This is important because the transfer will start from this account. Once you're on your Dropbox homepage, look at the left-hand column. Under the section labeled Activity, you'll see a small grid icon. Click on that grid icon. This opens up a menu of different Dropbox tools and features. From that menu, click on Transfer. This takes you to the Dropbox Transfer area, where you can create and manage file transfers separate from your regular folders. Next, click on Create a Transfer. This starts a new transfer and opens a window where you can choose what you want to send. In this window, click on Upload Files. This lets you pick files directly from your computer or device. You can also drag and drop files into this area if that's easier for you. Now, select the file or files from your device that you want to transfer. Take a moment to double check you've chosen the correct items, especially if you're moving important documents, photos, or work files. When you're happy with your selection, confirm the upload. Dropbox will begin adding those files to your transfer. Once your files are uploaded and listed in the transfer window, click on Create Transfer. Dropbox will generate a secure transfer that you can now share. This may take a moment if the files are large. After the transfer is created, you'll see options to either send email or copy link. If you want a quick share, copying the link is simple. You can paste it into a message or chat, and the recipient can download the files from there. If you choose Send Email, enter the email address of the Dropbox account you want to send the files to. This should be the email that's associated with the other Dropbox account. Below that, type a short message explaining what the transfer is about, so the recipient knows it's from you and what to expect. Finally, click on Send. Dropbox will email the transfer link to that address, and the other account can open the email, click the link, and download or save the files into its own Dropbox.